Hey everybody, this is the Workshop Rookie. Making my first video. Working with my wife on making some wedding decorations for some friends of hers from church. So we've got these pillars here that we need to stabilize because clearly they are not plumb. So we're gonna use a table and the level here and nail gun and see if we can get this to happen. Let's see for the level here. Looks pretty good. Make sure we're kind of flush up against the table here. Worry about getting that side plumb here in a minute. I apologize for the camera work. This is actually my first video being made, so my apologies if I'm making you sick. Alright, so we're gonna stab a nail in here. The wife just said I need to warn her about that. She's probably not wrong. Flip that. Make sure we're level that way. And we need to be a little bit higher here. I'm using some high-tech stuff here with a folded envelope to help keep it level. Alright, stab another one in here. I forgot to warn the wife. I'm going to get yelled at for that one.
I knew you were starting. Thank you very
much. She knows how I am.
The first one scared the crap out of me. Might be the one.
Alright, let's see if we can get one at the bottom. And get one at the bottom here. That's not, that does not look level. And this, folks, is why I am the Workshop Rookie and not the Workshop Professional. But, you know, we learn as we go. This is something I've never had to do before, so we'll figure it out. The good news is the wife has other plans for the base, so it doesn't have to be perfect. Let's stab that one. This one a little stab here. I don't know if you can hear it, but my shepherd is groaning. She is not a fan of the nail gun. Also, I'm not left-handed, so, you know, there's that we're struggling with too. And there we go. One base.
Hi.
There's workshop rookie wife. So there we go. We got to stand here, and she's going to do the decorating because she is definitely the artistic one. For some reason, she just trusts me with building stuff. I'm not real sure why. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, all the good stuff. And more to come.